Turbo token is a meme coin that has been catching a lot of attention. This AI create token, which started with $69, has garnered a lot of attention and a lot of potential. Will we see this token hit 10 cents this bull run? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a deep dive on Turbo. Before the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. And let's jump right into the video. Also, like always, not financial advice. Overall market looking a bit shaky. We're down about 4% in total market cap, up 50% in terms of volume, and Bitcoin down to 67,000, Ethereum down to 3,400. We are seeing right across the board, even BNB down 10%, Solana down 11%. But what's going on in the meme coin space is generally interesting. We're taking a look at Turbo token, which is down 8%, which in my opinion is a great time to buy. When we look at the 1 week, guys, we are seeing down 18%. It had some pumps, but again, a pullback again. And when we look on the 1 month, guys, this token is up 368%. It's a top 300 cryptocurrency, ranking it at 238, and its current market cap is $341 million market cap, which is absolutely insane. When we go to the meme coins, guys, remember, this is a brand new project, right? And it's already been climbing the boards. I believe it is right here, right over here. It's basically underneath the pep coin. So not pepe token, but pep coin, which is a popular one. And then pop catch, and then also baby dogecoin, which we literally covered yesterday at $340 million market cap. Not too shabby for a meme coin. And remember, guys, this was an AI meme coin as well, which is very interesting how this all came about. So meme coin made by AI for the people. And we see Turbo token began as a bold experiment cryptocurrency creation inspired by the power of artificial intelligence. The project creator turned to ChatGPT with a simple challenge to create the next great meme coin, starting with $69 budget. And Turbo is now a decentralized community-driven adventure. And we can see even on Twitter, they're growing rapidly fast, over 64,000 followers. We see grassroots people's token aiming to be #1 meme coin community, first AI meme coin, art focus, no airdrops, and then the Turbo revolution. And they're doing a lot of great things. So there's some recruitment efforts. We are lucky to have found Turbo at the stage. Growing our community and spreading our message will propel us to the top, and they're trying to recruit people to come push this project, and a lot of exciting things. We see this partnership agreement is signed. So Turbo utility announcement initial set for Wednesday is postponed to next week as we're ironing out some technical issues to ensure the project goes successful. We see a spot listing on BitTrue. A lot of exciting things happening for this project. Talking about exciting these crypto projects, guys, I want to talk about a pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy, and that's Doge. They've already raised $3.8 million in a span of 2 weeks. What is Doge? The best play to earn Doge companion game. Doge is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Dogecoin meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while playing the nostalgic 2D adventure. So remember that little Tamagotchi game? Now you get Tamagotchi, but you got a Doge. As you take care of your Doge, you're earning money for playing this silly little game. Guys, they're about to raise $4 million, which is insane. And their next price hike is in 16 hours and 14 minutes. So if you want to get in at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to buy. A link in the description below. You buy with ETH, USDT, BNB, or even card. They've been featured on a ton of different articles. They have a great website, great roadmap, and they also have staking. And we can even see tokenomics are great as well. And when we go to the staking tabs, guys, we're seeing a solid 265% APY. It's dynamic range staking. We've seen upwards of 800% at one point. So if you want to make money on your passive investments, this will be the one for you. Link in the description below. But let's go back to Turbo as some other exciting news happening. So BitBuy is buying Turbo. Next is KuCoin and Binance Spot, because that would be absolutely massive. We saw this announcement earlier, and we can see BitBuy has purchased $1.3 million worth of Turbo in the last 48 hours. It's only it's only the third largest crypto exchange worldwide by volume and it's based in Dubai, which is absolutely insane. Meaning if Coinbase and Binance follow, this will be absolutely massive for the project. Retail investors will be back soon to the game. Turbo is a hot pick, and again, right now is a great time to buy because yes, it's pumped up 300% in terms of the month, but we can see that first pump, and now we're kind of going in a downwards direction, and it can reverse any time now in the upward direction. When we look on the 1 day, we're down 8%, we're down 18% on the week. This could be a great time to buy in, but always remember, maybe dollar cost average, getting slowly over time. Sometimes you buy low, sometimes you buy high to set your positions if you want to hold this project long term. Technicals are looking all right. Neutral oscillators, moving averages are in buy. Overall summary sitting in a neutral. Exciting things happening in the crypto mix. Again, these AI tokens where we knew were going to be a big thing. You got an AI token that's art focus, a meme focus, and community focus with a beautiful mission statement. Literally starting with $69, not $69,000, $69 to become the biggest meme coin in the community. That's a story that people can stand behind. But like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And let me know what you think about Turbo in the comment section below. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Do you think we're going to see a 10-cent Turbo? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.